welcome to my show Trendsetters. Well, today I have got something different. As you know, the weather is like such a cold, rains are there, and of course we sing our tea and coffee. So today I have got an expert in Hyderabad. He is a coffee creator. I mean, art and crafts, we have heard about art, but coffee is also art of making. So well, I have a Shravan with me. I want my camera to focus on him. And welcome to Hyderabad.
Hello, hi.
You stay in Hyderabad?
Yes, I'm staying in Hyderabad.
Okay, you most of the time you're in Hyderabad?
Yes, I am.
So, I mean, why we could not able to catch you?
I stay under the radar.
Acha, so you were not much on the media side
no. But I'm on Instagram most of the time.
Yeah. Okay. So you keep doing your all activity in the Instagram, right?
Right, yeah. So I keep logging my coffee journey, everything on Instagram. And whatever coffees I brew, new coffees I brew with different equipment. So I keep logging it on Instagram.
So I just want to know, Shravan, is it your passion or it's your profession?
So this is a passion turned into profession right now. So, and I'm happy I chose this as my profession right now. So,
what is your background like?
So I'm an engineer.
Okay.
I've had 10 years of corporate experience.
Okay.
And then I found what is good coffee.
Okay.
And I could not turn back from coffee again.
But from an engineer, obviously, you know, all engineers love coffee because they need a break, right?
Yeah.
While drinking coffee, you had a love for coffee, or from a childhood, like from your college days, you had a love for?
So unfortunately, during my travels, I found what is good coffee. Then I was in a pursuit to find good coffee. Then I made my research. Then I found what is good coffee, what is crafting coffee, artisanal coffees. That's when I found what is a pour over, what is a mocha pot, what's an espresso, what's a good espresso again. So the subject is very deep inside. So.
But we always need to, you know, work so deeply when it comes to coffee, tea, or, you know, there are so many cafeterias are around, you know.
Yeah.
So it's like a research, it's an art. I mean, how you get into this? You must be learning it, or just ho gaya? You experimented?
Oh no, there's a lot of certifications to be done. So I've done my barista certifications.
Okay.
I had my hand in coffee roasting. I'm not a roaster yet, so yes.
Okay.
So the field is very deep and it's a rabbit hole.
Okay.
Once you get in a rabbit hole, it's very hard to come back outside.
So how many coffees you can make? And you have actually introduced new coffees which you will have never heard of, or only Shravan can get you on the table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there'll be crafting coffee mocktails, there'll be pour overs, there's Japanese stylized pour overs, there'll be hot pour overs, and sometimes with tea infusion coffee cocktails, coffee mocktails, and there are coffee cocktails. Like a neutral liquor can be used with coffee to make amazing coffee cocktails.
But I like this, you know, I think it will attract you all, Ratnagiri Estate. It's a coffee?
It's a coffee from Ratnagiri Coffee Estate.
Okay.
It's called Pearl Mountain.
Okay.
I could say this is the gold standard of Indian coffees. And it's
but Ratnagiri is like a name of the city, or like...
Ratnagiri is a city in Maharashtra, but this is a coffee estate in Chikmagalur.
Okay.
It's called Pearl Mountain.
Okay. But I heard of new teas also you have introduced, like berry tea. Yeah. What flavors they are like? So
it's mostly on the berry side with the fruity aromas and everything. So that gives a very refreshing feel when you're having it iced or hot.
So I mean, now how many years you are in this, like in creation, and how your journey is? Are you opening some shop is there, or cafeteria is there? How to catch you?
I'll probably open a coffee shop in a while.
Okay, right now you have not done this.
I have not done.
Okay.
So I'm helping Meet Shah and Gaurang's Kitchen and Maison Pins.
So how people get your coffee? They get a chance to drink your coffee?
So I'll be doing pop-ups every month.
Okay.
I'll be doing flea markets every month.
Okay.
It's on Instagram, it's on brand pages. People can just look at that.
So how your Instagram, I heard like it's booming like anything.
Oh no, it's
how
not.
People respond to that?
It's nice. It's a community building event basically. So it's a great chance to connect with the community all the time. So the community is fantastic.
So you're promoting, because in Instagram and social media people promote other brands. So you're promoting your own brand, like coffee?
I promote every brand.
Coffee?
Coffee is coffee.
Okay.
Any coffee is coffee.
So can you just make some coffee which actually, you know, attract to the viewers, or you know, the style of making? Obviously every man make coffee. A simple, you know, just making a coffee.
I'll give a choice.
How your choices, I mean, how your
what do you want to try? Do you want to try a crafted beverage which is more coffee and less milk?
Okay, and?
It's kind of I call it a cutting chai wala coffee.
Acha, cutting chai wala coffee.
So it's a cappuccino and this is cortado.
Okay.
It's equal amount of coffee and equal amount of milk.
Okay.
You can try that if you want to.
Okay, but I want something different style of making. Yeah, like
not espresso.
Whatever you feel comfortable. I don't want you should make simple coffee. Something, you know,
pour over.
With your activities, people should get attracted, you know. what you are expert in.
I'm okay in everything.
Okay.
I'm sure.